First vlog vibes. First vlog vibes. What's up, guys? I know I wasn't talking for that first half, but I feel like most YouTubers are clean when they shoot their vlogs. I mean, I just thought it'd be best if I started talking when I was like fully clothed and fully dressed. Well, today I'm going to the Buckle. The Buckle, you know, if you don't know, the stores where they, you know, retail stores. The Buckle. Lost my train of thought. Yes, I know you probably peeped the room behind me. Me and my brother, older brother, share this room, so it's kind of like in and out situation, so you'll never know. This is probably where I'll be filming most of my vlog, just to talk to you guys, because most of the house isn't finished quite yet, so when it is, you'll get a good preview of what it looks like. 22 from Blue Springs, Missouri. So there's not much really around here, but I'll try to make it as fun as it can be, well, in my life. So we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna let you guys get a good quick preview of what the outside of the crib looks like. Hyundai. But this is the most tragic part about my car. She was only 2 days old. 2 days old when she got this. I was there for her. So sad. All right, let's go. I'm a model, so I model and act here in KC. So this is like my daily gig every Wednesday. I just go to the headquarters over in Overland Park, Kansas, and just try on clothes. But I'll let you guys know more as I get there. All right, guys, so I'm here. You know, still got to follow 2020 protocols. Got to mask up. According to my contract, I'm not able to videotape everything because some of their stuff is new. It's coming out. So I'm going to give a little bit of snippets, maybe a little montage of some of the stuff I try on. If I like it or not, you know, I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's about it. All right. right, guys. So that's basically it. I mean, I know it didn't seem like I was in there long, but I was in there for an hour, actually. It ranges from like 30 minutes to sometimes 6 hours a day. Just depending on what they need done. And basically it. First vlog vibes. 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 Yeah, you know, just my first vlog. No biggie. I got this. First vlog vibes. Try to say that 5 times fast. First vlog vibe. First vlog vibe. First vlog vibe. No. Hey. Hey, post office. This is my first vlog. Mail? Oh, shoot. Let me get it. There you go. Man, you sound kind of cute when you get off work. Oh. All right, well, till next time.